Have you ever wondered, how do I retire? Well, you're not alone. This question is about the logistics of leaving the workforce and the transition into retirement. It's crucial to understand the key milestones of retirement and to strategically allocate funds. The best way to approach this is to assess your own financial situation and consider the most effective ways to maximize benefits. Now you might be asking, when can I retire? The timing of your retirement depends entirely on when you wish to leave the workforce and whether your financial situation allows for it. That's why it's so important to have a clear understanding of your retirement goals and the amount of money you need to save to achieve them. How much money do I need to retire? Is another frequently asked question. The amount you need to retire comfortably depends on your lifestyle, your expenses, and other factors. Again, it all boils down to having a clear understanding of your retirement goals and the amount you need to save to fulfill them. And what about spending in retirement? How much will I spend in retirement? Is a common question. Estimating your expenses in retirement is a crucial part of the planning process. Some of you might be considering an early exit from the workplace. Should I retire early? Is a question that weighs the pros and cons of such a decision. Early retirement might seem attractive, but it's essential to consider the financial implications. When should I take Social Security? Is a question about the optimal time to start claiming Social Security benefits. This depends on individual circumstances such as age, health, and financial situation. You might also wonder, how do I apply for Social Security benefits? The process can be done online, by phone, or in person at your local Social Security office. A common concern for many is, how much will I pay in taxes in retirement? Estimating your tax liability in retirement depends on several factors, such as your income, expenses, and tax bracket. And should I take my pension as an annuity or a lump sum is a question about the best way to receive your pension benefits. The answer depends on individual circumstances, such as your financial situation and retirement goals. Finally, a crucial concern for many is, how will I afford medical expenses in retirement? To answer this, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your healthcare needs and how much money you need to save to cover those expenses. In conclusion, retirement involves careful planning and consideration. It requires a clear understanding of your retirement goals, the amount of money you need to save, and the best strategies to maximize benefits. It's about knowing when to retire, how to spend in retirement, and how to handle potential challenges such as taxes and medical expenses. Remember, the key to a successful retirement is preparation and knowledge.